What's the meaning of cognition? Cognition. Cognition.
Cognition. Cognition. Cognition refers to the mental processes involved in acquiring, processing, and using knowledge and information. It encompasses activities such as perception, attention, memory, language use, problem-solving, and decision-making. Cognition is a complex and multifaceted process that is essential to learning, reasoning, and making sense of the world around us. Ultimately, cognition enables us to interpret and respond to incoming sensory information and to use that information to create meaning and understanding. It is a critical aspect of human intelligence and plays a central role in our ability to adapt and thrive in our environments.